Hey my friends, Owen here from Ireland, and thanks for joining me in this beautiful now moment as spiritual beings and human beings at the same time, at least having a human body. But yeah, in this video I was going to share something which is like a friend of mine just said I have a beautiful heart, or like a pure heart or spirit or something. I can't quite exactly remember what they said. I was just doing in between things, but I was just thinking, you know, I've found life pretty hard recently, you know, like I have a lot on my plate, more than ever in my entire life, and a lot of challenges, and sometimes it's like definitely, it's always a bit of a test, and sometimes a very big test, and it can be very emotional, and I'm releasing some like sadness, maybe related to my mum passing on last year also, but just everything else is on my plate, and my physical body going through a lot and being underslept regularly. And I was just thinking, in relation to what this lady said, I was just thinking, you know, whenever my life used to be easy, simple, not much going on, you know, and it's sort of like easy in a way to be sort of, what's the word, loving and like kind and peaceful and happy and friendly. But when you have you only can test and see the true depth of somebody's spirit, like their spirituality, their depth, their true ability, when you have been, or when you've been tested with deeper or harder challenges. And it's nothing personal, like this person's better or more spiritual than another, or this person's better or they're more loving. Like, we all have the ultimate loving truth to us, and that's who we are. But when it comes to human ability, that comes through practice. So that's just a given. It's a simple measure. It also comes with obviously your intention to be to develop virtues and tap into our spiritual gifts that are there within us from the beginning, and always will be on a spiritual level. So yeah, I just thought about her like saying, yeah, I am like loving, like, you know, we all are, and I was very loving years ago, and it'd be more easy to be loving sometimes, but I'm far deeper now. It's just that I have far more challenges, but I'm ongoingly practicing like virtues of patience, love, compassion, tolerance, forgiveness, listening skills, humility, gracefulness. Whereas before it's so easy because I hadn't really got any big tests, you know, it was happening. I'd use them here and there, and I'd be well rested, not much stress, not much responsibility, not much backlog to deal with, not many hard people on a regular basis, so to speak, or not as regular. When you have a whole lot of stuff going on, that's when you're truly tested, and it's a continuous expression of our spirituality and our deeper spirituality than when life is simple, slow and easy. Yeah. So while I was interested in the whole pure heart thing when I was younger, I still am, but I talk about it less, but I'm just busy practicing and living it. So my depth and ability is far greater now. I've grown so much since then. Sometimes we don't know. So what I mean to also say is, like, sometimes outward experiences can be deceiving, you know. Somebody can talk a good talk and look a good look, but sometimes like I talked a good talk and I looked a good look. I'm not talking about other people as if that's bad, but I'm talking about me or anyone. But I talked a good talk, I looked a good look, but it was where I was at back then. Whereas now I'm far deeper, so that can be applied to other people too. Like, you can't judge a book simply by a simple quick cover, you know. You'd want to look deeper or test them more to see how deep their spirituality and their virtues really go, you know. And I find that's wise. That's a lot of wisdom to that. Yeah. Should have turned on second light from the beginning, didn't realise. So yeah, that's all I really want to say, you know. It's nice to grow. Anyway, lots of love. Looks like I missed this shop. I didn't realise I probably should have gone earlier. Oh well. It's all good. Bye my friends, lots of love, and I hope you're doing really good, and I know you are. I trust you're perfectly where you're meant to be, and I need to get a proper fixture. is fascinating. Life's the biggest roller coaster. We are spiritual beings, divine beings, non-physical beings, having a roller coaster ride here on Earth and using our physical body as the instrument. It's a fascinating one. I suppose I should probably just go back. See you.